Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are in good health. I Nilpa Methiwala from St. Thomas School, Surat. Welcome you all for virtual class. Subject English, Grammar, Standard, First. Before start our lesson, students, let's pray. Okay? So first, what you have to do? Yes, you have to join your hands, close your eyes and repeat after me. Okay, so let's start. God, we thank thee for the night and for the pleasant morning light, for rest and food and loving care and all that makes the world so fair. Help us to do the things we should to be toward the kind and good in all we do, in work or play, to grow more loving every day. Good morning, students. Now let's start our lesson number 15, full stop. Before I explain you full stop, I would like to explain sentence. Do you know what is the sentence? No? Okay, so listen to me carefully. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense. Students, it means हर भाषा में बोलने अथवा लिखने के लिए शब्दों के समूह का प्रयोग किया जाता है। ऐसे शब्दों के समूह को जिनके भाव पूरे हो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? सेंटेंस. One more time I would like to explain this. Okay. A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense. Complete sense मतलब जो हमें समझ में आए. ऐसा सेंटेंस जो हमें समझ में आए कि वो क्या कर रहा है या क्या कर रही है. Okay. For example, a pet cat. ये ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स है. 3 वर्ड्स है उसका ग्रुप है. तो इसमें आपको समझ में आ रहा है ये क्या है? नो ना? सो लेट मी शो यू वन मोर एग्जांपल. आई हैव अ पेट कैट. सो ये समझ में आया आपको सेकंड वाला? आई हैव अ पेट कैट मतलब मेरे पास पेट कैट है. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड सेंटेंस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, राम बॉल विथ बैट. Is that sentence? No, it is not make a complete sense. That's why. Now let's see the next one. Ram hit the ball with the bat. Full stop. So it is make a complete sense. अब देख रहे हो ये पिक्चर? Yes, I have a pet cat. तो ये एक complete sentence बन गया. Ram hit the ball with the bat. So ये राम क्या कर रहा है? बैट से बॉल को मार रहा है. तो ये भी एक कंप्लीट सेंस है. तो इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? सेंटेंस. व्हाट वी कॉल? सेंटेंस. नाउ लेट्स सी सम मोर एक्सरसाइज. ओके. Arun loves to swim. Can you see that boy? Yes, he is a Arun and he loves to swim. So that is called sentence. Here are some more sentences. The hen laid an egg. Nitin has a new book. These are called sentences. We begin a sentence with a capital letters. We usually end a sentence with a little dot called full stop. Can you see that dot? Yes, when we complete our full sentence now, at the end what we put? Full stop. Okay. जब भी हम पूरा सेंटेंस लिख देते हैं, हमारा सेंटेंस जब कंप्लीट होता है तो एट द एंड हम क्या लगाते हैं, एक छोटा सा डॉट लगाते हैं, उसको क्या बोला जाता है, फुल स्टॉप। ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर एक्सरसाइज। राइट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस प्रॉपरली, start each sentence with a capital letters and end it with a full stop. Let's read first question. Tina put the flowers in the vase. Let's see the answer. Can you see that T is written in capital letter and full stop at the end of sentence. Now second. My brother gave me an apple. Let's see the answer. Can you see that M is written in capital letter and full stop at the end of the sentence. Third question. Zakir loves to play football. Answer. Can you see that Z? Yes, the Z is written in capital letter and full stop at the end of sentence. Now 4. Sunita drank a glass of milk. Is there any full stop or the capital letter? No, that's why it is a question. Let's see the answer. Can you see that blue color? Yes. S is written in capital letter and full stop at the end of sentence. Now next, question number 5. Fish swim in the pond. Is that correct? No, this is the wrong one. So this is the right one. Fish, F. Can you see that F? Yes, it is written in capital. Fish swim in the pond. At the end what we put? Full stop. Now 6. The cow eats grass. So here T is the capital. The cow eats grass. At the end full stop. Ram climbed a tree. Okay. So is that correct? No. This one is the correct because in Ram, so R we can write in capital letter. Ram climbed a tree and full stop. Now 8 number. I write with a pencil. So we should write in capital letter. Write with a pencil. At the end we put full stop. Now start our next exercise. Take the group of words that are sentence. Can you see the first question? In the sky. Is that sentence? No, this is not a sentence. That's why we put the cross over here. Now second. There are stars in the sky. Is that sentence? Yes, this is a sentence because the first word is written in capital letter and full stop at the end. Now third, a girl. Is that sentence? Yes, this is a sentence. No, because a group of sentence not make a sense. That's why this is not a sentence. So we put the cross here. Now 4. A girl is eating her lunch. Is that sentence? Yes, this is a sentence. Now let's see the 5th question. He is a doctor. Students, can you tell me, is that sentence? Yes, this is a sentence. 6th number. I am in the market. The first letter is written in capital letter and at the end there is a full stop. That's why this is also sentence. Now next. Is teaching. Is that sentence? No, this is not a sentence. That's why we put the cross over here. 8 number. I need an umbrella. Is that sentence? Yes, this is also sentence. Now last one. A red can. This is not a sentence. So what we have to put here? Cross. Now third exercise. Rewrite the following sentence using capital letters and full stop. Students, this activity we have to write down in notebook. Okay. First question, I have some work. So let's see the answer. I, here we have to write I in capital letter. At the end we have to put the full stop. Now second, his car is in the garage. Can you see the answer? His, here H-I-S, his. So H we written in capital letter. At the end what we put? Full stop. Rani cleaned her room. Here the R is written in small letter and there is no full stop. Now let's see the answer. Rani cleaned her room. At the end what we put? Full stop. यहाँ पे हमने रानी का R क्या लिखा है? कैपिटल. At the end हमने क्या लिखा है? Full stop. She is watching television. So let's see the answer. S. Here we write the S in capital letter. She is watching television and full stop. Now 5. The teacher told the children a story. There is first letter is not capital. At the end there is no full stop. So let's see the answer. The, T-H-E, the. Here the T is written in capital letter. The teacher told the children a story. Full stop. 6. Kavita climbed a tree. Now see the answer. Kavita climbed a tree. Full stop. Here the K is capital and at the end what we put? Full stop. 7. We play in the park. Here W is written in small letter but we have to write W in capital letter. We play in the park. Full stop. 8. Our class teacher loves us very much. So let's see the answer. Our class teacher loves us very much. Full stop. Here O we write in capital letter and at the end we put full stop. Question number 9. I like noodles. Now let's see the answer. I like noodles. Full stop. यहाँ पे हमने I को किस में लिखा है? कैपिटल लेटर में. At the end what we put? Full stop. Now second. It will be great fun. So let's see the answer. Yes, here IT eat. So I हमने कैपिटल में लिखा है. It will be great fun. At the end what we put? Full stop. Now 11. We will go to the zoo. First letter is written in small. First letter small में लिखा है और at the end क्या है? Full stop नहीं है. So let's see the answer. We will go to the zoo. यहाँ पे V में W capital letter and will go to the zoo. At the end what we get? Full stop. Now last 12 number. Ram wears a red shirt. Now let's see the answer. Can you see the answer? Ram, here is R written in capital letter. At the end we put the full stop. Students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.